Having received approval for the technical development of the new product, the model is taken and generally split into two halves and subjected to a three-dimensional scan. This three-dimensional scan takes shots from different angles to allow the software managing the scanner to comprise all the various shots in a three-dimensional manner until restoring the complete scatter diagram of the three-dimensional object. We use an optical scanner to make a three-dimensional scan of the object, specifically preparing the model to be reconstructed three-dimensionally. The optical scan is then launched. You will see how the scatter diagram is created and read. This operation takes only a few seconds, three-dimensionally reading the geometric information of the object to be scanned. The aim of this is to obtain the geometric data for the product. With this set of information, the three-dimensional style modeling begins with appropriate software, leading to the definition of the mathematical model, the skin of the object that is verified by milling with our equipment, and which leads to a precise definition of the external skin of the new product. We then enter the final design phase, carried out by means of three-dimensional CAD software. What you can see on the monitor is the result of the whole project of one of our flip-up helmets. The detailed design basically concerns all components making up the product. The main components include the shell, body, and visor. The monitor is now showing details of the shell design. Here, the definition of all the technical aspects involving the end product to be injection molded is fundamental. The design of thicknesses clearly plays a key role in terms of meeting approval standards. This method of work allows us to use files for many applications, and typically those of developing stereolithography prototypes to be used during design to allow the designer to carry out all the necessary checks, and at the end of the design stage in order to obtain the definitive prototype of the helmet, which will then be molded for production. What you are now looking at is the flip-up chin guard of our helmet, and what I am showing you now is the result of the SPL test.
Quello che vi mostro ora è il risultato di un prototipo SPL.